Hey, this is Chaperonova. Today I'm going to show you the best free pop-up WordPress plugin. I found this plugin, this WordPress plugin, about a week ago or so, and I thought to myself, this is a really cool free pop-up plugin for WordPress, and I'm going to show my subscribers on YouTube and my email list, about this free pop-up WordPress plugin. So what I want to do is I want you to log into your WordPress website, okay? And what I want you to do is come down here to plugins, and then I want you to click here, add new. I want you to type in WP pop-up banners, click on install. Now it says untested with this version. I have tested it, it is fine. It's just the version, WordPress 5.8 just came out, so I'm sure within the next few days or a week this WP pop-up banners will update it. But like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. I've tested it on WordPress 5.8 and there is no problems, okay? So now we click activate. Alright, now what we can do is we can come right over here, WP pop-up banners, and right here. Now let's just delete right here this pop-up demo right here, and this is what you do, okay? It's very, very simple. You just click on add new. Let's just make a title. I'm just going to call this, let's see here, we'll call it WP Learning 101. And there's an option for text, but to be honest with you, I'm just going to show you the image one, and I'm not going to get into all the details of each of these functions. Most of them I'm going to keep the same. I just wanted to show you the basic ones that are going to be most likely that's going to best fit for you. Okay, now what we can do is, now we want to pick out an image that's going to be what is going to be the pop-up, okay, that's going to show up, the image that's going to get people to click on, and you can go to, whatever page you want. You can send it to a sales funnel, you can send it to a sales page, you can send it to an opt-in page, whatever it is that you want to do. I'm just going to show you my e-learning website called WPLearning101.com. I'm going to take this image, but if you need to upload one, just click on select file, and then you can come over and you can find one of these right here, and I'll just show you exactly. You just look in your files here. I'm going to use this one right here, which is basically the same thing. Click on that right there. That's the one I want. And then right here, and like I said, after I make this video and show you how to use this free pop-up WordPress plugin, I'm going to tell you about our free WPLearning101.com, our free WordPress Learning Made Simple e-learning website, okay? But I'll get into this in a minute for you, okay? So what we want to do is we want to come back here, and you have the image loaded up. Now what you want to do is you want to add a URL where you want the traffic to go to when it pops on your website, okay? Leave all this the same. This one right here, we want to change to only show once. We don't want it to keep annoying the people that keep coming back. Don't check this right here. We want this to show up on mobile. Right here is important, okay? Let's set this for 5 seconds. With Google just making its change with your site load speed, you want to make sure that this is going to load in about 5 seconds, so making sure that your website loads fast, and then the 5 seconds comes up, and then there is your banner ad that they can click on, and it doesn't slow down your site, okay? So let's just click right here, click save. Alright, then what you want to do is you can choose if you only want it on the home page or all pages or specific pages. Me, I want everybody on my blog or website, whatever you want to call your WordPress website, I want it to be shown on all the pages, okay? Now we can preview it, sorry about that, but we're going to go through the other steps here. Now display settings, okay? There's different settings right here, and to be honest with you, I would leave all these the same depending on how, what color your banner is and what background. I always like the black color background, so it's right here. It says right here, background color. White would just kind of not look as good with my image. You'll have to kind of play around with this with your site. I'm going to use black, so let's just click save. Okay, so now let me click right here to save again to make sure. Then you need to come up here, okay? You need to make sure that you activate the plugin, okay? The free WP pop-up banners, okay? You need to come up here. You can choose which one you want. We only have this one right here. Click update. All right, now we can go back in here and I can show you a preview of it here. You can see how the page like loads up. But I'm going to actually show you one more thing because I don't like it how it grays it out, okay? So let's go back here to, let's see here. Let's go back here. Let me find the right one here. See how it says the overlay part, the dark overlay? I don't like that, so I'm not going to have any overlay. So let's just click Save. You can leave everything else the same. Now we click on Preview, and you notice your site stays the same. I don't like to gray something out. It kind of turns people off. They might think there's something wrong. Now here it is. This is mine right here. It pops up right here, and now someone can come over here. They can either close it out right here with the X, sorry, this other thing showing up, and then they click right here, and then here we go. It goes to my WPLearning101.com free WordPress learning, made simple, you know, e-learning website that I was going to tell you about, okay? So you can just close it right out, okay? And let me show you one more thing here, okay? You want to keep all this the same, like I said, because this blank right here makes, I'm going to show you again right here, when this pops up right here, you want to keep them on your page right here. And what that blank, underscore blank does is you click right here and opens up a new window, and here it pops up. So that is basically how you set up WP pop-up banners, okay? It's, to be honest with you, it's the best free pop-up WordPress plugin that I've seen in a very long time. It's free. There's nothing that I see. Yes, they have different versions that you can upgrade to a pro version and stuff like that, but to be honest, for most people, the free version is going to work just fine. You know, if you like this video, please share the video with your friends and family that are interested in maybe having their own WordPress website, or, you know, somebody that's just getting started with WordPress. But what I want to do is, like I told you at the beginning of this video, I wanted to show you my WPLearning101.com. This is a free WordPress learning, made simple e-learning website that I put together. We put it together because we wanted to help people out. Like it says right here, WordPress tutorial videos for beginners. Many years ago, probably 15 plus years ago when we got started, WordPress was super, super brand new, and most people had no clue how to use it. So the videos that were out there weren't many, and most of the time you had to pay for them. And, you know, like I said, WordPress has come a long way, so has YouTube. You know, things have changed a lot. But a lot of people still charge for this kind of training, and to be honest with you, most people getting started with WordPress, you know, might not even have the money to do it, and to be honest, they're not even sure if they even want to do WordPress yet, or even build a website, or even have a business. So that's why we put together WPLearning101.com, you know, to really help people out, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here. You're going to get 30 plus videos, and I think right now it's 31 videos. Right here, you're going to get an ebook also that's going to show you all the different things about WordPress, you know. If you have any kind of, if you're wondering what type of topics that we're talking about in this free tutorial, WP tutorial training, just come down here, and this will show all the videos here, the 31. You know, if you're just getting started with WordPress, you know, buying a domain name, going through all these different steps, learning everything about WordPress, and even coming to a point where most likely you have no clue what Google Analytics is. You might know, but you don't know how to install it on your WordPress website. We've made all these videos so it's super simple, so you know how to install this stuff, do whatever you need to do. We've made these videos very easy from A to Z. That's going to help a beginner, even somebody that's intermediate, or just somebody that wants to go back and forth and learn, you know, WordPress again with some areas that they're not really sure about, okay? If you have any type of questions or anything like that, you can come up here to our support. Just click support and put your name, your email address, your information right here that you have a question about. Click right here. Just click send. This just allows us to send this email to you back to reply to you. You know, here's our phone number right here. You know, we are here to help you, okay? That's the point here. We want to make sure that you know how to use WordPress and to get your best from WordPress, you know, because when you first get started, it is very overwhelming, and I've been there many different times, and at times I still get there with learning new things because the internet is growing so fast, and we need to keep going and keep going, and, you know, the information can get, you know, kind of crazy sometimes. So, you know, with learning WordPress and stuff like that, with this WP tutorial that we've put together, this WordPress tutorial, you know, all these tutorials will help you tremendously to learn WordPress, okay? I'm trying to think anything else that I wanted to tell you about with this site or anything. But like I said, all you do is, if you just want to come here, you can watch the video to kind of give you a little overview of WordPress, kind of just some information. But if you want, you can click right here, Start Learning Now for free. It's 100% free. It's lifetime free. It's going to be here as long as my business partner and I are here, which, like I said, my name is Chad Portnova, and my business partner is Mike Murphy. So, like I said, all you got to do is click right here, Start Learning. And literally all you'll do is you'll just add your... Internet's going a little slow today. We're having a thunderstorm. My name right here. You put your name here, your last name here, your email address here. You can see it's free. Just check this box that you agree to get this. Keep this box checked right here. This is so you can get emails from us when there's updated videos from WP Learning 101, or if we think a product or service could help you, or any plugins and services that we're coming out with that we think could help you out a lot. Or if we're going to add new videos to our training, then you will get the emails about it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope you can see the value of this WP pop-up banners. It is so good, and the best part about it is free. And like I said, I had to share it with you guys, with my subscribers on YouTube and my email subscribers, just because I knew this would help you out a lot. You know, everybody's trying to get as much traffic as possible, so if you have a website that's already set up, or if you know somebody, you can show them this video and they can see how they can actually start, moving people to maybe a sales page or maybe an opt-in form that they've created so they can get signups. You can use this whatever you want. Like I said, I just went through the basic settings. Just like I said, you can play with these and, do everything that you want to, play with things, in certain ways to see what you feel. But the steps that I showed you is pretty much the basic of what you're going to do. Like I said, make sure that you click right here and you activate it. If you want to go right here, you can learn more about the people that actually created this particular WP pop-up banners. But like I said, if you have any questions, you can come to the site. You can post below this video in the comments. But below this video, I'm going to have the link that's going to go to WPLearning101.com. And then I'm also going to have the page right here that you'll be able to click on to be able to download if you want to. You really, like I said, don't have to download if you just go through WordPress. Like I was showing you here before, you just go into WordPress. Let me just copy this right here. All you have to do is really log into your WordPress site and just go up here to add new and just pop it right in there. And you'll see it. So like I said, you can download it if you want. I'll have a link below this video with the also link to going to the WP tutorial videos. So like I said, any questions, come up here to support, post them below this video, whatever it is. Look in the description for any other information that we have. And like I said, this is Chad Portnova. We'll talk to you soon. Make sure you share this video to friends and family that you think would help them with. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.